Hey everyone, VW just launched the official Goodnight package for the electric ID Buzz, turning the van into a stealth mini camper for 2,600 euros. Here's exactly what you get inside the pack. It starts with the bed setup, which features a foldable slatted frame and the mattress measuring 2.02 meters long by 1.21 meters wide that fits perfectly over the folded rear seats. To ensure total privacy, the package includes a complete blackout curtain set with magnetic attachments tailored for every window, including full coverage for the massive panoramic glass roof. For comfort overnight, you also get custom ventilation grills that clip securely into the front side windows for fresh air circulation while keeping the vehicle locked. Finally, the kit adds the outdoor gear, coming with a lightweight folding camping table and 2 chairs that store away neatly when you're on the move. The best part is that it fits all passenger versions, whether you have the short or long wheelbase, and it stays folded in the boot so you keep all your seats for daily driving. Would you drop 2,600 euros on this factory setup? Let me know in the comments, and I will see you in the next one.